Downloading data from Apple Music can help you access your favorite songs and playlists offline. Follow these steps to easily download your music. Step 1. Open Apple Music app. Launch the Apple Music app on your device. Ensure you are logged in with your Apple ID that has an active subscription to Apple Music. Step 2. Find your music. Browse or search for the songs, albums, or playlists you want to download. You can use the search bar or navigate through the library to locate your desired content. Step 3. Select the download option. Once you find the music you want, look for the download icon, which usually looks like a cloud with a download arrow. Tap this icon to start downloading the selected music to your device. Step 4. Check download status. After initiating the download, you can check the status by going to your library. Look for a small checkmark next to the songs or albums that have been successfully downloaded. Step 5. Enjoy offline listening. Once the download is complete, you can listen to your music offline. Simply go to your library, and you will find your downloaded songs available for playback without an internet connection. Now you can enjoy your favorite music from Apple Music anytime, anywhere, even without an internet connection. Happy listening!